Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has identified Broadcom as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.68. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 7.82%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.98% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this might represent a favorable buying opportunity. However, a drop below the bottom trend line at $187.25 would trigger a strong sell signal, indicating a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a likely decrease of 1.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between a negative 3.59% and positive 27.13%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 60.17%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 55.39% and 126.81% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $297.70 and $434.52. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline: Broadcom stock price ended at $191.58 on Wednesday after gaining 2.19%. The Broadcom stock price increased by 2.19% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, rising from $187.48 to $191.58. During this last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.73%, with a low of $187.10 and a high of $194.08. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, down by 16.24% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 12 million shares, with a total of 25 million shares traded for approximately $4.83 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $251.87, while the lowest was $119.76. Currently, the stock price is 23.94%, or $60.29, below the 52-week high of $251.87, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom, or AVGO, is currently experiencing significant market movement. On the 5th of March, shares of Broadcom are rising alongside peers like Palantir and Microsoft, despite the broader market's recent decline. This uptick may reflect investor confidence in the technology sector, particularly as anticipation for Broadcom's upcoming first-quarter earnings report. However, AVGO is also facing critical challenges. The company has issued a serious warning to VMware customers about zero-day vulnerabilities being actively exploited, which can compromise networks. Such cybersecurity threats could impact client trust, potentially affecting revenue in the short term. Market sentiments are also influenced by political factors, notably Trump's push against using tax incentives for U.S. chip production. Despite this, semiconductor stocks, including Broadcom, remain resilient, indicating investor optimism amidst uncertainty. Looking at the broader picture, Broadcom's shares have slumped 22% since December due to fears surrounding U.S.-China trade relations and a reliance on key partners like Apple. Analysts warn of a 30% downside risk if ongoing geopolitical tensions escalate. Nonetheless, ahead of earnings, some believe the stock's current valuation presents an attractive entry point, with fundamentals indicating a potential valuation upside. Overall, while positive sentiment may drive short-term gains, the longer-term outlook for Broadcom remains clouded by external geopolitical risks and reliance on major clients. Investors should weigh these factors carefully as they navigate the stock's potential volatility in the coming weeks. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, it was reported that CICC assigned AVGO an outperform rating along with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AVGO a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AVGO a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Broadcom stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and so far it has risen 2.25%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock warrants close observation. Some negative signals have been issued as well, which could impact short-term developments. Broadcom stock currently reflects sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels near 197 and 220. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is presently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands present a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 9 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $187.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be at a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $6.98 between its high and low points, representing a change of 3.73%. In the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 7.39%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.50. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $202.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at $187.48. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of January, 2025, Hartenstein Eddy W. conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 6th of January, 2025, Lo Chek Kian conducted an insider sale of 48,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 2nd of January, 2025, Kawas Charlie B. conducted an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 24th of December, 2024, Tan Hock E. conducted an insider sale of 45,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the same day, Tan Hock E. conducted another insider sale of 130,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.673. Overall, insiders purchased 1,550,980 shares and sold 2,005,749 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Broadcom currently exhibits several negative indicators and is in a broad downward trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 6th of March, we forecast that Broadcom will open lower by 660 cents, starting at $190.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.